Hi guys, Jordan here, and we've got some of our many Tesla Model S suspension components. Today we'll be looking and reviewing individual parts on our Tesla Model S suspension. Also feel free to take a look at our other components and in-depth reviews. Today you'll notice that looking at these parts, we have sourced some of the highest quality materials we can, as well as bushings for these parts to stand the test of the driving environments that they'll be put through. And we've made sure to look for the highest quality direct drop-in replacement parts to serve your vehicle many more miles to come. Let's get started and take a look at these parts. So this is the rear lower control arm. It is good for the left as well as the right. This is part number 6006774-00-B as in Bravo. Let's take a quick look. You can see the quality of the casting is very high quality. We've got the final machining done on the surfaces. We've got bushings are pressed in very nice, very high quality bushings on each one of these parts. The quality of the aluminum looks very nice. Overall, very nice fit and finish. You've got the all the surfaces machined down for the for your sway bar links that bolt in here. Some vehicles don't have sway bar links, but they still have this hole. That's what this is for, is if you have a rear sway bar. Overall quality of this part looks very, very nice, fit and finish. Thanks for watching our Tesla parts review video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. In the description box, I will leave information where you can pick up these parts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And have a great day fixing your car. And we'll catch you on the next video.